Be honest, when you started FPV, did you ever feel a little bit overwhelmed? If only there was some sort of library database of every single part in FPV with one-to-one representation showing you every single pad, exactly what it does, and most importantly, how to connect those pads and parts to each other. It is my absolute pleasure to announce the DIYFPV Builder. This has been a long-term project. We've been working on a lot behind the scenes, and it is finally ready for you. Let me show you how it works, how it's going to change our hobby, and the last problem that you might actually be able to help me solve. So how exactly does it work? If you head over to DIYFPV, we go to the build studio, you can select a new build, you can put in the exact parts that you're going to be using in your drone, then you can add another part in there as well, connect them up together, you can check the validations of those parts, and you can share it with your friends, and you have wired up your drone virtually with a solid understanding of how it all goes together before you've even picked up the soldering iron. So that is step one. We've sold those napkin drawings, Reddit, and Microsoft Paint pictures that we've seen so many times. We now have an easy way to share our wiring diagrams with one-to-one schematics with other pilots out there as well. Get them checked and get them validated in DIYFPV as well. Now that sounds amazing, right? But there is one last problem. The DIYFPV database has over 100,000 entries of FPV parts and products in there. Now that's quite a large number, and Bardwell and Blunty had this to say about that.
The challenge that I've always struggled with was if you're going to have like a builder that can create wiring diagrams, then you have to maintain metadata for the flight controllers and all the components. That metadata would be like, here are the output pads that this device has. Like some flight controllers would have a 9 volt, some would have a 12 volt, some would have 3 UARTs, some would have 5 UARTs. For every piece of, for every component in the database, you have to maintain that metadata so that then the wiring diagrams, are correct. That's a monumental task. If they can keep that builder actually updated with like the actual pinout information of all the equipment, which is, that's like a full-time job, but if they can keep that updated, that'll be very cool.
You can't do this. This will not work out. And the reason is because you can't keep up with all the components. You think you can and you can't. It's just impossible.
Maybe you could like use AI. Could you use AI? Oh, maybe, I don't know. But it's just like a huge amount of manual labor. I think it would be amazing if somebody took that on. And I would love to see it succeed.
And they were absolutely right. We created so many parts for the builder, but working alone, it was just simply too much. So how do we keep up? Not only did we build the studio so you can connect your parts, we also built a part builder, a powerful tool with some insane levels of customization that allows anybody to build their own part, submit it to the library, and then we can use it in that studio. To build a part, go to the part builder, you find the part that you want, you create the base, the mounting holes, you add the pads, you add the data, which is streamlined to make it as intuitive as possible. You can select 5 volts, 9 volts. You have so much customization over here where it goes down to like, hey, here's UART number 3 with the RX, and it knows that, hey, that pad is set up on a UART, it's going to be ready to receive. It is incredibly powerful, but also intuitive as well for anybody to use. Then you can simply drag and drop your components on here. In almost no time, it lets any user go from nothing to a one-to-one representation of that exact component with the correct data, the correct wiring schematics built in, so we can use it in our studio. And this is the best part. This is my promise to you. I've been doing FPV for 10 years. I absolutely love this hobby. DIYFPV, it is made to get people flying, remove all the barriers to entry. Like we have simulators on here, Goggle comparison tools, channel organizers. There is so much here, as well as the largest FPV database online. This builder is free for you everyday pilots. And this is where I need your help. Even though the builder is extremely powerful and really easy to use, I'm just one person building. I can only build so many parts, but together as a community, we can build these parts so much faster, get so many more parts in the library for people to use. So head over to DIYFPV. It's a great place for FPV in general. There are so many resources and an amazing community there as well. You can check out the world map, connect with pilots, but if you could jump in, help me build this library, be part of this community, and get as many parts as we can into the builder.